Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel eLearn Joy. Today I am starting a new series on the topic Internet Business Opportunities, and this is the first video in the series, an introduction to Internet Business Opportunities. With your continued support and encouragement, I intend to come out with at least one video per week on the above topic. Let me introduce myself. I am Joy Tundathil from elearnjoy.com, an educational portal. Let me share my screen with you to start the presentation. I would like to start the presentation with a quote by Walt Disney. Walt Disney once said, and I quote, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." How true. But how many people are able to pursue their dreams? Most of us dream big about achieving bigger things in life, but how many are able to do that? How many are able to take effort, put in the necessary efforts for achieving their life goals? Very few. Many people allow their dreams, their life goals to fade away without pursuing them or putting efforts behind it. For achieving your life goals, your dreams, the first step is to jump into action. You have to be an action taker in order to achieve your life goals or dreams in life. Now, coming to today's topic, introduction to internet business opportunities. If I tell you that today internet has become a part and parcel of our life, I am not at all exaggerate. We have become so dependent on internet that it has become one of the necessity of life, like the food we take for our existence. Yes, internet is very good, excellent opportunity or source for doing freelance, setting up your online business, or searching for employment, hiring people, building your image, and building relationships. Internet is also a very good source for information. Many people, millions of people are browsing internet sites like Google, Facebook, etc. As per statistics, more than 4 billion people browse internet daily. See how big the figure it can be imagined by the fact that it is more than half the world population. The question is, are you using internet in a way to enhance your income? Are you using internet to educate yourselves by acquiring knowledge and abilities, or are you using internet just to while away your free time? Because it is found that many people are coming to internet just to while away time. They treat internet as a source for passing their time. World over, including India, millions of people have got free time with them. You will also agree with me on that. Every person has got at least 2 to 3 hours of free time daily available with him. Now the question is, how do we utilize this free time in a useful and worthwhile manner? There are many ways on internet that you can utilize this free time in a useful manner. Let us examine some of them. Now, some of you may say that you do not have this 2 hours free time with you. There is an easy solution for that. Go to sleep 1 hour late and get up 1 hour early. 2 hours will be yours forever. So let us come to the first opportunity available on the internet to spend your free time. The first thing is, if you are keen, you can learn a new skill on internet. It is well established fact that a new subject, new skill can be learned within a period of 30 to 40 hours. Yes, only 30 to 40 hours will take you to learn a new subject. That means if you spend 2 hours per day within a period of say 3 weeks, you can master, learn a new skill. And if you keep repeating it month after month, quarter after quarter, within a period of 1 year, you will be able to learn more than 10 skills. And this can be done very easily by spending just 2 hours per day. And you know today, more skills means more income opportunities for you. So, learning a new skill is the first opportunity available. Now, you may ask which skill or what you should learn. We will discuss about that in one of the coming videos. Be a little patient. Now, coming to the second avenue for you on internet is to leverage your existing skills and knowledge that you have already acquired over the years. All of us have got more than one skill and enough knowledge with us, whether you are a student or a housewife or an employee or a businessman or a retired person. We have all been able to acquire lot of knowledge and skills while acquiring our academic qualification, educational qualification. In fact, all these years we have been leveraging that skills for earning our income. Is it not true? A person employed in a company, the company gives him salary in exchange of the skills and knowledge that he has got, that he utilizes for the company. If you are a businessman, you are utilizing your skills and knowledge for making products and services for your customers, and you are earning income out of it. So it is possible to convert our knowledge and skills into income on internet, which we have already been doing in our day-to-day life. Now, the way for this is becoming a online freelance. We will discuss more about this in the next coming videos. I have already told that every week I intend to come out with a new video about the opportunities, business opportunities available on internet. Through these videos, each week I intend to share with you the skills and knowledge I have gained through my exposure to internet over a couple of years. Let us now come to the third opportunity that is available on internet for you to spend your free time, is to set up an online business. This could be an e-commerce business or a teaching business or any other online business. Whatever free time you have got can be utilized for setting up a online business. Today, with the advanced technology, internet is available in your home. This was not the case 20 years back. I remember I had to visit an internet cafe for browsing during that period, and I had to pay rupees 50 per hour as fees. Today, cheap and high speed internet is available at your home, and the internet, this availability is spreading through the nook and corner of the country and also throughout the world. So businesses have been leveraging this, and they are also growing fast. It has become very easy for you to set up an online business in today's world with the least amount of investment and the least skill requirement. You can start an online business and scale it up because of the advanced technologies available today. We will discuss in the next few videos what kind of business you can set up in detail. So that is the third opportunity. Now, the fourth opportunity is that you can utilize your free time on internet to build a relationship with influencers and SMEs. What is this SMEs? These are not the small and medium enterprises that we know. These are the SMEs, the subject matter experts. We know there are many YouTube channels, there are thousands of YouTube channels where they have got millions of subscriber base. These channels are owned by subject matter experts. You can also gain from these channels. Once you start receiving some valuable info value from these channels, you can start making positive comments. You can start communicating with them, thanking them for the information value you have gained, and by period of time, you can build a relationship, and who knows, over a period of time this relationship can become a business opportunity. The fifth item is that on internet you have got opportunities of joining, enrolling in groups in Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. There are many groups which give you valuable educational and informative inputs. You can join this group and spend your free time in these groups and get educational and informative inputs from them. So these are the 5 opportunities available for you in internet to spend the free time that you have created for yourself. That is all from me for today. In the comment section below, you can indicate which opportunity I should concentrate for my next videos. If you feel you have got some information from this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button so that you will get notification whenever a new video is published. In the meanwhile, please like and share this video because the knowledge, information you have gained increases by sharing. So, thank you all for watching this video and see you soon.